Hello, Education 570, and welcome to Module 8 of the course. It's hard to believe that this is already our last week together for this course, and thank you for your hard work that you have done through all of these different modules. Hopefully you're able to reflect on what you've learned so far and have been able to apply a lot to your classroom setting or the setting that you're working in right now. So let's head to Module 8, Digital Age Teaching and Learning. This week, you'll summarize personal goals for implementing technology into your learning environment. There's Module 8 Introduction for you to check out here as well. And you can go to the required reading. There are no required readings for this week. Participate in the discussion and work on your final assignment is the expectation for this week. The next thing is course evaluation. Please make sure that you do complete this evaluation. It does help me to continue improving the course and my instructing of the course, and I appreciate you filling that out. 8.1 discussion, future technology plans. Made it to our last week. Congrats on your investment and willingness to invest and learn from each other. So looking back at the course, pick a module or topic that was especially helpful for you. Explain what you learned and how it will change your teaching or thinking going forward. Make sure that you post your response by Wednesday at midnight, and then finish your other and then make sure you respond to two other posts as well. 8.2 final project. Here it is, the final project you've been working on. Please submit your final project to this assignment by Friday, March 2. And you can check out the rubric here again to get some refreshers. I also gave you some feedback on your rough draft. You submitted one recently and gave you feedback on that as well. Assignment guidelines and rubrics, there is also another place where you can see the final project assignment. Questions, anyone? To keep posting if you have questions that come up. So I look forward to seeing your final projects and sharing with each other as well, and the discussions that we'll have this week. Have a great final week, everybody.